Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now today's video is going to be about how extreme can you do multitasking on the S10. Before I forget, subscribe, it really helps out the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified first when I post a video. So everybody knows that you can do the split view, which I'll show you now. So I'll just start my YouTube up, which is fine, and then I'll minimize that and then start, for example, Chrome up. So once you've got Chrome up and you've got whatever other application you want, you go and you long press on whatever application, and then you do open in split screen view, and then you select the other application to open up split screen view, and then you can go into moving any of the windows so they're more visible. For example, if I was to type in something here, that would be more visible. I could go back and I could, do it that way where it's smaller. So this is your basics, your two window setup here, and obviously you can use either watch videos while you're surfing the internet, things of that nature. One of the things that you can do is you can take it a bit further now. Now if I minimize all of that and then I start the calculator and then I go back into the recent apps, if I select long press on the calculator, I can open up the calculator in a pop-up mode, which now means that I can go into I can have two windows open like so, and a calculator there as well. I can minimize and I can make the window smaller or larger depending on how I want it. So I can do these things. Obviously the buttons are harder to press if the calculator is smaller rather than it being bigger. So that's another window open, so you can watch a video, you can surf the internet, and you can use a calculator. The other thing that you can do with the S10 is, because you have the side panel here, you can actually use the calculator here as well. So for example, if I was to go into the inbuilt calculator here, I can have two calculators. I can have one calculator here and then another one here, and then this one actually saves the history as well. So it saves the history there, you can clear it, you can copy it to a clipboard there, and then you can use two calculators, one here, one there, and then two windows. One of the other things that you can do is you can open up two YouTube pages. So here I've got both of the Chrome YouTube using the show desktop site option in Chrome and going on YouTube, and then I've got normal app YouTube here. Both of these videos are my own, they are different. Now the audio in these two windows is different. It doesn't play together. So if I was to play this video here and then play this video would stop. So you can't do two videos at the same time. However, you can look at two different videos, because these are two different videos at the same time, using the app on YouTube and then using the desktop view on Chrome. So there we have it, guys. That was the most extreme multitasking that you can do on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.